What's going on, guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about what you should be outsourcing for your business. What work should you be outsourcing? What some of the monotonous tasks? Should you outsource everything? Should you just outsource certain things? How you should do it? And that's what I'm going to cover in this video. So again, this all comes down to the type of work you're doing and the type of work you get, because every client is different, right? Some clients, depending upon your agreement, will just be for Facebook ads. Some clients will be for just posting on Facebook. Some will be for all the above, right? Some will be, some people will send you their images and you just post them. Some people will want you to get them created from the ground up, and therefore you'll need a graphic designer, right? So again, it depends on the situation. But in regards to what tasks overall should you outsource, in my opinion, everything. In my opinion, everything. When I say everything, I literally mean everything, guys. Everything that your client's paying you to do, you can and should be outsourcing if you're really looking to scale this up and make this as big as possible and live a passive lifestyle, which is the ultimate goal here. Like I said before, your time is the most important thing, because the more time you have, you can start other ventures, you can make more money, you can do other businesses, you can get more clients, right? You can focus on acquiring clients, not actually doing the work for the clients, right? So you want to outsource as much as possible because you're going to have more free time. So what do I personally outsource? Right now, believe it or not, guys, well, actually, no, that's a lie, sorry. I do some Facebook ads for clients, okay? But it's very, very basic. And when I say very basic, I mean you set it up once a month and the campaign runs, or it's as simple as boosting posts. That's the level of extent that I'm currently doing. I've done more Facebook ad stuff in the past for clients, but currently that's all I'm doing, right? Now, don't get me wrong. I could take on clients that pay me two to five grand a month to do some awesome like Facebook ads campaign with like email follow-ups and click funnels and all stuff like that. I could do that if I wanted to, right? Landing pages, doing all that, and I could charge 5 grand for it, right? But that takes up my time and stress levels, because I don't feel comfortable outsourcing that. I feel like I'd have to do that myself, right? So I take on clients mainly which just consist of basic Facebook ads, content creation, so like creating of graphics, editing videos. I tend to stay away from videos, more so just the creating of the posts, like the images and stuff, and then the post writing, and then the actual posting itself, right? So what do I outsource? Basic Facebook ads, graphic design for the posts, post writing, so copywriting for the captions, and then the actual posting itself. And how do I do this? Do I have a team of people all over doing it? I have a Facebook ads person, but my graphic designer does all the other ones. He creates the graphics, he writes the captions, and then he posts them for me. I've got other people that worked for me in the past that have just done caption writing for me. Why? You know what? Writing captions and doing posting is very, very simple, okay? As long as your freelancer can speak okay English, good English, that's fine, right? Because that's the easy part. The hard part is creating the graphics, right? So my graphic guy does all of that for me. Sometimes I have to go in and make a few changes to the captions that he's been writing, but that's as far as my level of input goes, right? So essentially I have 2 people, a Facebook ads guy and a graphics guy. Now obviously, as the business owner myself and as the person at the top, things like emails I get from clients and stuff like that, messages I get, I do deal with that. That's just like sort of like the management part of the business, which they come directly to me obviously as the owner, so I have to deal with that. But guys, I promise you, that is it's so minimal, right? They rarely ever send me emails or messages. That's like ever, right? So, you know, maybe a few minutes a week that I deal with that stuff. The rest of it is just automated and goes through on its own. And like I said, I can focus then on acquiring more clients. But you know, I hope that gave you a little bit more insight onto what exactly it is that I outsource. Like I shown in a previous video, create yourself a job posting, look for a Facebook ads guy, look for a graphics guy. If you want to in the beginning, you know what, if you want to, you can find a guy that's going to write your captions and post for you on your behalf. You can do that, but because it is, like I said, such a simple task, you can either teach your graphic designer how to do it, or they're probably already going to know how to do it if they speak good English and their grammar's okay, then that's going to be fine. All right. This video again was just to cover what exactly it is I outsource and how many I have. Again, you might be different, but this is the best approach that I've found. I've tried a few different areas. I've had, like I said, I've tried having several different freelancers for everything. The less people that you have to go to, the less people you have to talk to, it's just less management, guys. It just makes everything so much easier. But anyway, I hope that helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.